Okay, so today we're going to be changing out the rear sway bar bushings. They're god awful. I don't know if you can see. Okay, well it's not letting me use my flashlight on my phone, but let's see if you can kind of brighten this up just a little bit. Let's see. You can see the old sway bar bushings are pretty rusty and crusty, so we're gonna take those out today and replace those with some new ones. There's the other side, still a little dark, but while I'm doing that, I'm gonna set up a time lapse while I start to get these things out. And we're replacing those old rusty crusty ones with some nice white line bushings. I'll show you what they look like. Much better than the old ones. They're very nice. Can't wait to see the difference with these new ones in. Holy shit, it's hot as hell out. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the tripod set up and we'll do a time lapse of me taking out the old ones and we'll do a comparison from the old to the new. Well, that's annoying.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bolt snapped. Subaru. What else is new? Fuck this car. So, gotta see if I have another one or run up to Subaru and see if they have one in stock. That's annoying. Snapped a bolt here and another one into the frame. So, gotta try and drill those out and get some new ones. But as you can see, this is really fucking rusty and shit. So I'm gonna probably sand the shit down and paint it so it doesn't rust anymore. Alright, so I just got back from AutoZone. Snagged some of these. Tap set. Have some drill bits. Gotta see if I can find a corded drill to drill out the broken shit. And once I find that, I'll film, you know, drilling it out and all that shit. So, see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I have the other side soaking in PV Blaster, and I'm going to, I have a corded drill that I'm gonna set up the tripod and drill out this side first, and then I gotta do the frame, but I'll get it all on camera. Okay, so sorry about that, it's a little dark over here, but I'm gonna use the vise. I got the old bolt out, and then basically what I did was I took one of the ones, the bolt, you measure it with one of the measuring, like thread measures from the tap set, and you basically just put it in the thread, make sure it fits correctly. Sorry, it's really dark back here. And then I'm basically just gonna bolt that up to the vise and put a new thread in. Alright, so I was able to tap out and rethread this. I tried to get a video of it, but where the vise was is very dark. Found another bolt, so now I gotta drill out the frame, the bolt that's stuck in the frame. Yeah, so let's get to that and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I finally got the fucking frame drilled out. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it because it's dark under here. It's hard to fit the camera. Let's see. Nope, you can't see it, but either way, got the fucking bolt out, rethreaded. So now it's just time to put everything back together. So I think I might do that in a time lapse, and hopefully this goes smoothly. I'm an idiot. I bought the wrong size bushings. I bought 22 millimeter, and I need 17. So I have to take the whole thing fucking apart again, and oh my god. Well, that's annoying, because there's way too much play under here. I don't know if you can see it, but the whole thing moves side to side, up and down. It's a fuck ton of play. So I'm probably just gonna order the new ones and probably just order all new bolts and shit straight from Subaru and get all the right stuff. Fuck. That's annoying.